300 series has been out for a little while. Whilst there's been a few diff drops on the market for a little while, there's been a lot of failure on the diff drop space. Part of the reason is a strength issue, because a lot of these parts are welded, fabricated, bent. Welding puts additional stresses when it draws carbon into the welds, etc. So a lot of guys have tried to just fabricate these units, not to mention as well as not using OE style bushes. So using poly bushes and things like that brings more rigidity to the part, causing more knock-on stress. So this is the main arm that holds the front differential to the cross member of the vehicle. What we've seen is, bushes that don't have enough movement built into them, they don't replicate OE. So we've gone to a OE style rubber bushing that has the movement required in the bush. Not to mention that the part is a full CNC piece. So it's one piece, no welding, full CNC. So very, very strong. The other one is the two front ones, manufactured as per OE, CNC billet alloy, factory genuine style rubber OE bushing. So the diff drop itself will give you about 20-25 mil of drop for better CV angle. So whilst the CV angles on a 300 are relatively good, obviously having a diff drop will improve those angles. We haven't seen any CV breakages as such. However, improving those angles is going to improve longevity, make everything better in the car, bringing it back more to an OE style. So diff drops available as a product on their own, be on our website for purchase. Now, moving forward, that diff drop also has a compatible bash plate design for it. Now, when we talk about diff drops, bash plates, if you drop the diff in the car, the bash plate has to move down. You can space the OE bash plate. I think spacers are included in part of the kit, so you can space it. However, it is a plastic type bash plate. So going down the path of JA or Just Autos have a higher volume sump. So part of our design when we did the diff drop and the bash plate design was to work and be compatible with the Just Autos sump. And I know there are other sumps on the market. However, confirmation, they may be very similar, but working with the Just Autos sump. So if you want a diff drop and a bash plate that's compatible. Now, we didn't just go and design a bash plate that we go, hey, you can hit things with it and protect your car. It was all about airflow and design. We work with Just Autos as well regarding airflow, temperatures, GCM recalibration, making sure that we're not reducing airflow to the engine to reduce that cooling efficiency that's done by the factory. So in our bash plate design, they're all aluminium, not steel, so they're quite light. Some of those steel ones were very, very heavy, like they were just massively heavy lumps of steel. These ones are alloy, they're very light, but they've been designed to improve airflow. So not only will they protect the bottom of the car, they will improve airflow for cooling for those 300s, which is very, very important. And they're also compatible with the Just Autos sump. So diff drop, bash guard, available together, available separately. If you're interested in a Just Autos sump for that extra oil capacity, that would be a Just Autos package, so you could talk to the boys there. But making our products cross-compatible as far as we can is very important. So if you're interested in any of these products, you can jump on our website or give us a call at the office.